Hi guys, ready for some table percussion? Make sure that you have a table that can make sounds. So if your table is made of glass or made of marble, you probably won't be creating the sounds that you're looking for, okay? So like this is made of wood, so we can have all these kind of sounds, all right? I'll just show you the whole thing, the whole routine, and then we'll break it down, okay? 1, 2, ready, and... We're going to break this down part by part. This is section 1. Double. That's it. Section 2. Doesn't matter which hand you flip first, as long as one is up and one is down. Okay? Section 3. Section 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, clap. 1, 2. Let me show you one more time. And section 5. That's the first part. One more time. And then you just go. Now feel free to go back to the different sections and practice it over and over again so you can string the whole thing together.